Okay, so I've made a simple JSON quiz maker, all right, for people who do not have access to the API keys from any of the AI platforms, right? So if you think about it, right, you can access ChatGPT for free even without logging in. But to use the API keys, right, to generate API key and use it in other programs, you will need to pay for it, right? So some students they have access to OpenAI, but they do not have access to the keys because maybe they don't have a credit card or their parents don't feel it's necessary for them to pay right for the keys, right, so that they can continue to use the program, sorry, use the key in other software. So I'll give you a demonstration, all right, but it's safe to say that with or without an email, even uh, we can use um, ChatGPT, okay, for free. All right, and using like ChatGPT or Perplexity or DeepSeek, we can create questions like MCQ questions in the JSON format easily, and then download the file and then use this quiz maker. So I'll give you a demonstration. Okay, so so this thing has been already set up, so you can see it's a blank slate. So I'm going to open the sidebar. Right, the sidebar is very pretty. So you can see that there's nothing here. So this JSON is the correct format. So you just need to copy this and paste it into OpenAI and then just tell AI, I want to generate 10, 20, 30, 40 MCQ questions, etc. And the topic is da 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 da. Okay, and please give me a file to download. So they will know it will be the JSON format. They will give you the JSON file to download. Okay, so once you have done that, you can then choose the file. Download the file, and then you can upload it here. So, for example, I may have a question on, sorry, MCQ file that's already generated. Okay, about tea, right? So once I upload the file here, I click upload. So now the 5 questions has been uploaded successfully. So I just need to generate slides. Okay, it's done. Okay, and that's it. All right, so you can see that it's very neat, very fast. Okay, and then you're ready to do other things already. All right, you can move on to whatever the rest of your life, whatever task you have for the day. Okay, so this is very simple. There is no AI involved. The only AI is the one upfront to generate questions and create the JSON file. Right, so this is a simple solution to a simple problem that a lot of people can have access to. Right, so imagine the amount of time it saves you, right, to manually, okay, uh, key in all this, right? So imagine if it's just 3, 4 slides, it's not a problem. But what if it's 20, 30 slides? Then you're going to spend considerably, a lot of time, right? So another way to, we say, okay, but I do not want, uh, the random questions, right? Then that's for you to instruct AI, and let's say, for example, you can copy and paste, okay, the text which you want AI to reference before making up the MCQ questions, right? And then from there, create a JSON file and then upload it here, and then create the slides. So it will take you no more than 3 minutes to do everything, okay? Right? And if you're really fast, maybe a minute. All right. Now the next thing is this, right? Is it always in the MCQ format? No, actually the thing is this. If you can tell AI that I only want uh, 2 options, right? Maybe it's an open-end question. It's not a problem. AI will still generate this for you, and then in this format, and then the software itself will help you to interpret it and give you the slides that you can still use. All right, so it could be 3 options, 4 options, 2 options, no option. It's not a problem at all. Okay, it's robust enough to handle this. All right, and the nice thing about this is that for people who are interested, okay, in my solutions, I can customize it for you further in, let's say, even limiting the number of questions that the software will handle, right? Okay, or the brand colors, right? So this is in the style of the Miami Dolphin, okay, team colors. And if your favorite team is, let's say, Liverpool, all right, or Arsenal or Manchester City, we can also create that branding for you. All right, or maybe your organization has a certain color code, right? That they use, brand codes, brand colors, right? It can also be done. All right, so yeah, so this is what I've got to share, and I hope you find it useful. And if you're interested in this, particular solution, do reach out to me. My name is Terrence, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye.